Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, multiplication, minus, and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and dot math method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have 4 answers: A is 0, B is 2, C is 3, and D is 8. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. Before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules called mass and PAMDAS. These rules we will apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. First of all, we have to copy this expression. Yes, this one. We have to solve this one. First of all, we have to solve the bracket according to the rule. But inside the bracket, we have one operation and also we have a number which has the power. So what we have to do, we have to go 3 multiplied by 4 minus 2 raised to power 2, which is this one. We have to solve this one and get the answer is 4. 2 multiplied by 2 means the 4. And divided by, right like divided sign, divided by 2 multiplied by 3. And here we have to give the reference 2 raised to power 2 equals to 4. Now move forward, we have to solve the bracket because now we have two numbers which are inside the bracket which are subtracting each other. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is 4 minus 4. This equals to 3 by multiply 4 minus 4 equals, it becomes 0 and divided by 2 multiplied by 3. Here we have to give the reference 4 minus 4 equals to 0. Now move forward. We have to go left to right and find out which is coming. So now we have 3 multiplied by 0. So 3 multiplied by 0 it means 0 and divided by multiplied by 3. And here we have to give the reference 0 divided by 2 equals to 0. Because any number divided by 0 divided by any number, it becomes the 0. Now again we have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 0 divided by 2. So we will get the answer is 0. And multiply by 3, again we have to write as it. And here we have to give the reference 0 divided by equals to 0. Now we have two terms which are multiplying each other. So we will multiply both of them and get the answer is 0. The answer of the given expression is 0. If you see the answer list, so answer A is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and what math method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others. They can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.